What is Prom? It is a commercial center and it is likewise a crypto token. We should find out what we can figure it out and investigate a portion of the Prom cost forecasts that were being made starting around the 15th of September 2022 as well. Prom made sense of, quite possibly of the most sweltering idea in the realm of both cryptographic money and blockchain innovation all in 2021 was that of the metaverse. This thought of a virtual existence where individuals could cooperate and exchange with one another is well established, having its beginnings in the computer-generated simulation frenzy of the mid-1990s. Without a doubt, the web-based game Second Life, which was profoundly famous during the 2000s, was a metaverse. Notwithstanding, the idea has acquired another rent of life because of the blockchain. With the new innovation ending up a triumph, associations moved their web-based universes onto it, both giving blockchain lovers who had never been engaged with the metaverse an opportunity to test it while likewise permitting metaverse fans and other internet gamers the chance to figure out exactly what it is that the blockchain brings to the table for individuals. Furthermore, what eventually helped blockchain metaverse gaming was non-fungible tokens. How about we make sense of what these are? Assuming a thing is fungible, this implies that it can without much of a stretch be supplanted by something indistinguishable. A £20 note is a genuine illustration of this. On the off chance that you loan one to a companion, you won't see assuming you're given an alternate £20 note back. Non-fungible resources are the specific inverse. Envision a one mentor Pokémon card, one of the most extraordinary in the game's presence, with only 7 accepted to be available for use. It might seem to be a typical card from a good ways, yet it has unmistakable characteristics that make it not quite the same as all the others. Assuming you loaned that card to a companion and got an alternate one back, you'd be justifiably disturbed. NFTs carry this unique case and shortage to the blockchain. They permit digitized variants of collectibles to be made. Fundamentally, NFTs come in the types of connections to individual advanced pictures. Actually talking, it is the connection, instead of the picture, that individuals reserve the options to. All things considered, there is a few misconception and uncertainty about both the idea of NFTs and their position in the realm of cryptographic money. This equivocalness isn't assisted by the idea of the NFT with instituting these digital currencies, a large number of which are, in fact, talking tokens, as opposed to mint pieces, are intended to be connected to the commercial center where specific assortments of NFTs are sold. This additionally connects to the idea of play to acquire. Essentially, a P2E game is something that affects individuals gathering NFTs as remunerations for specific activities completed inside the game. Since NFTs can be sold and exchanged beyond the game inquiry, this implies that individuals can, from a certain point of view, bring in cash from playing the game. It's implied that how much cash anybody can make through NFT-related gaming is something of a disputable issue. Yet it is there. At any rate, seeing as NFTs have shown to be an aid to metaverse innovation, as well as an expected wellspring of cash for the two engineers and gatherers, it is maybe unavoidable that there would be a lot of spots that plan to spend significant time in gaming NFTs. Prom is one such gaming NFT commercial center. Established in 2019, it plans to make Web3 gaming available and charming experience for everybody. Individuals can lease gaming resources without guarantee, buy NFTs in regularly scheduled payments, and exchange and oversee NFTs across various games. It has its own digital currency, likewise called Prom, albeit the association appears to be fairly hesitant about how the token is utilized. The Prom crypto depends on the Ethereum blockchain, and that implies that it is a token, not a coin. You could see references to such things as a Prom coin cost forecast, however these are off base. It is additionally significant not to confound the Prom crypto with the Prometheus crypto, which likewise utilizes the Prom ticker. We should now investigate the Prom cost history. While past execution ought to never be taken as a sign of future outcomes, knowing how the token has acted in the past can give us some genuinely necessary setting to either decipher a Prom value forecast or make one of our own. Prom originally turned out in 2019. Opening on the 17th of July that year at 36 cents. It got through the dollar boundary in mid-2020 and floated around this level until it became involved with a bull period of the crypto market toward the beginning of 2021 and moved to a high of $26.11 on the 16th of February that year. While it fell down after this, a resurgence saw it hit an unequaled high of $106.12 on the 30th of April 2021. The symbolic then dropped and burned through the majority of the remainder of the year somewhere in the range of $10 and $20 with a periodic transcend including $34.37 on the 3rd of September 2021. Up until this point, 2022 has been an unfortunate year for the token, with the nadir coming as it sank to $2.41 on the 12th of May. From that point forward, There has been some sluggish, spluttering recuperation, and on the 15th of September 2022, Prom was exchanging at $6.20. At the hour of composing, there are 16.45 million Prom available for use out of an all-out supply of 19.25 million. This gave it a market cap of about $101 M, making it the 191st biggest crypto by that measurement. Prom cost forecast gathered together. With that all said and done, we should investigate a portion of the Prom cost forecasts that were being made starting around the 15th of September 2022. It is essential to perceive that cost estimates, particularly for something as possibly unstable as cryptographic money, frequently end up being incorrectly. It is likewise critical to recall that drawn-out value forecasts are many times made utilizing a calculation, and that implies that they can change immediately. To start with, made a Prom crypto cost forecast that recommended that the token might have reached $8.24 eventually before the current year's over, $14.19 in 2023 and $19.40 in 2024. The site then contended Prom might have happened to $25 in 2025. Preceding it might have dropped to $22.25 the next year before it might have recuperated to $30.74 in 2027 and $43.43 in 2028. The conjecture demonstrated Prom might have shut the 10 years at $61.89 before it made a Prom cost expectation for 2030 that it might have ascended to $87.09. The site then, at that point, proposed Prom might have exchanged at $117.83 in 2031. Then, had a Prom token cost expectation that contended the token might have shut the year at $6.64 before it rose to $8.30 on the 15th of September 2023. A year from that point, the site said the crypto might have been worth a small part of a penny underneath $9.94. The site then made a Prom cost expectation for 2025 that proposed it might have opened the year at a shade under $13.68, might have ascended to $21.03 on the 15th of September, and might have shut the year at $16.86. By the 15th of September 2026, the site recommended Prom might have arrived at somewhat under $25.90, before it might have dropped to simply beneath $22.32 a year after that. In the meantime, made a Prom cost expectation for 2022 that it could have achieved $8.42 before it might have happened to $27.40 in 2025 and $40.19 in 2026. When the 10 years came to a nearby, the site figured Prom might have gotten through the $100 boundary to be esteemed at $123.27, before it might have remained at $177.38 in 2030 and $255.26 in 2031. At last, had a playful Prom cost expectation. The site felt that the token could be evaluated for a portion of a penny underneath $9.90 in September 2023, and might have been valued at $22.53 in 5 years' time. While considering a Prom token cost forecast, it is critical to remember that cryptographic money markets remain very unpredictable, making it challenging to precisely foresee what a coin or token's cost will be in a couple